refrigerator. Today let me introduce you our new product, the TF36, which is a car refrigerator for truck. This product has a capacity of about 35 liters. It has 2 zones and 2 doors. This size is about 25 liters capacity and this size is about 10 liters capacity. Those doors can be removed. Look, and you can install in the different jurisdiction. The TF36 has 5 buttons and the temperature range is from -20 to up to 10 degrees. If you like this product, the 2-zone and 2-door car refrigerator, please follow us. Thank you.